Hello everyone, welcome to Supreme GIS. In this video, we will learn about how to create a map layout. Five things are mandatory in a map layout. I'll show you. First, the title of the map, then coordinate display of latitude and longitude, north arrow, scale bar, and legend. So let's begin. First, go to QGIS, add your layers. You can add as many as layer you want. So select your folder and I'm adding a shapefile of district, MP district. Open, add, close. Whatever we want to display on our map, we have to customize here only. Just go to the layer, click on layer and right click properties, symbology. Uh, from single symbol to keep it categorized. Categorize on the basis of the district. These are the attributes. We can check it in the attribute table. According to this, we want to classify. Click on classify, apply. Then click on labels. We want to show the name of the district. As you know, label name is also in the district name under single label. Here by district code, parameter, area, whatever you want to display here, you can select the column from the attribute table. This is the district, and you can make changes also. You can increase the size and font color and font style also. So I'm keeping it as default. Apply. Okay. You can check it, right click and open attribute table. You can check area, parameter, whatever information you want to display on your map. You have to show it, customize it here only. See, this column has got the district name that we have used. So go to the project, new print layout, give the title of your map, map 4 I'm giving. Okay. Then click on add item, click on add map, and the cursor will appear in a crosswire. Just drag the crosswire on this white sheet, blank space. Leave some of the space from the boundary and click OK. Now, first we have to adjust this map scale. So item, map, click on map, item properties and reduce its size. Sorry, increase its size. Now, go to scroll down, go to grids, add your grid. This will display the latitude and longitude. Modify grid and whatever type of grid type you want, solid, you want cross, you want markers or frame and annotations only. I'll show you one by one. First, change the CRS to WGS 84, EPSG 4326, WGS 84, and interval we can keep 2 degree, and whatever it is your requirement you can keep. EPSG 4326. WGS 84. Again, scroll down, on grids, modify grid, scroll down and draw coordinates. Now, if you want to keep these coordinates left and right coordinates to be vertical, you can change from here, vertical ascending, both left and right. Now you can, if you want to change the grid type, like you want to keep the cross wires, you want to keep the markers, or you want only frame and annotations only. So this is how it will appear. Now we will start adding items. Like first we'll add a north arrow. Click on add item, click on north arrow, crosswire, drag it and leave. Again, add item, add scale bar and okay. Now add item, add legend and crosswire will appear. You can change. Uh, for legend properties, just drag it. Just click on legend, item properties and scroll down columns. You can split the columns to fit in the map. You can split it as per your requirement. Then split layers. Now you want to shift this map districts to upward. So go to edit and click on move content and click on map. Just drag it upward. And if you want to move your items like north arrow and legend or scale bar, you have to click on this, move and select item, this arrow, and you can just drag it. Now we'll add a title, a dynamic text and layout name. Just drag it. Here you can change in the main properties. You can change the layout name. This is MP district map. You can change the font size and you can change the you can change as per your requirement. You can increase or decrease. If you want, you can Remove the frame. Okay. This is how map should appear. You can do more customization also. Now click on layout and export as image. Connect your folder where you want to save the map. Save. Export resolution, I am keeping 300 dpi. You can increase and decrease dpi. It affects the quality of the map. 300 is standard. Then save. Okay. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe Supreme GIS. Thank you.